We are direct to 90.
Direct 90.
In the left turn, I
Nice.
put the
wing in here,
wings
sounds
just to warm them up because we're in descent.
That's good.
And if you want to, well, we can do the 10,000 without the APU for now. I cannot start it right now yet. Oh, look at that.
That's beautiful.
That's what we weren't needing. That's what we need.
I'll slow down a little bit at 14,000, then we can start APU.
Yeah.
And you can turn off the anti-ice.
I turned off. Miles from the field, so perfect.
Zero Mike Bravo, contact Salt Lake Center 135.77.
3577.
Liga 3217, contact Salt Lake approach 118.85.
Center from Challenger 150, Mike Bravo, out of 15, descending 14,000.
Zero Mike Bravo, Salt Lake Center, Hebrew altimeter is 3009er. Let me know when you have the weather and what approach you want.
We have the weather and we will be looking for a visual for runway 4, November 150 Mike Bravo.
November 0 Mike Bravo, Roger, you can expect lower in 2 minutes.
Copy that, Mike Bravo.
Okay, slowing down, and then you can start the APU.
Yeah.
November 0 Mike Bravo, a couple notables there, work in progress, adjacent runway 22, and then there's a new obstruction crane. Do you have that crane notable?
We have those noted down, thank you.
APU looks good.
Alright, APU is starting.
Skywest 3620, climb maintain protocol 350.
We're at 20 miles from runway 4.
Copy.
I think. Maybe you can
Delta 681, contact
slow
number
down even
center
more up to you.
128.32.
Oh, 250 I think for now is good.
APU started.
Thank you.
November 0 Mike Bravo, descend and maintain 12,000.
Descend 12,000, 0 Mike Bravo. Speed below 285.
Yes.
APU is started. Leads to go.
Delta
Belts.
386.
Harness and pedals
climb maintain
left.
protocol 390.
Okay, please do. You see it?
The airport?
Yeah.
Not yet. I think I'm looking in the right direction, but...
In the valley here.
Yeah, I'm looking in the valley. You can call it off if you see it. I mean, I have a rough idea where it is. About to go.
Line Bravo, field inside.
Then my Bravo clickers referred to City Airport. Report to cancellation of IFR this frequency. What's your flight service? Frequency change free.
Well, I didn't get everything. I think you clear us for visual approach and to report on this frequency for cancellation, correct?
Yeah, if you cancel above 9,000, you can see me on this frequency. If below 9,000, this is flight service.
Copy that. 150 Mike Bravo.
You can cancel now.
Canceling now, Mike Bravo. Canceling IFR.
Major Mike Bravo, Roger, for cancellation, receive squad VFR, change approved.
Squad VFR, frequency change approved, Mike Bravo.
Section 471, Salt Lake Center,
1200?
2477, contact Salt Lake
Yeah,
Center,
swap the leads when you got a chance.
124.35.
So much dust, you see. I can't even.
Yeah. I will clean it up later.
122.8, huh?
Yep.
All right.
Just do gear down once you're done with the things.
Heber Airport, this is November 150 Mike Bravo. We are on right base for runway 4 out of 10,000 feet. We're going to land runway 4. This is Challenger, November 150 Mike Bravo. Any traffic in the pattern, please report.
And flaps 20, please.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
All right. I'm gonna give you
Yeah, you can line it up from the RX.
direct RX, and that's 039.
Oh yeah, City Airport is just behind that small hill.
Okay, you've got it, and you got 8 miles to go.
Yep.
To lose 3,000, 4,000 feet.
Yep,
Plus
flaps
the
full.
base.
Flaps full, please.
Speed check, flaps full.
And before landing checklist.
Before landing checklist. The blades are transferred. Gear is down, flap 30.
That is confirmed.
Alright. Ground and flight spoilers are set. Lights are all on. Ignition is off. Clearance we don't have and we don't need.
Okay.
APU is on before landing check is complete.
Sounds good.
Minimums.
Right. Okay, I see the runway.
Perfect. Line up.
Yep. So line up behind that hill.
All traffic, Herbert. This is November 150 Mike Bravo Challenger on final 3 miles final runway 4. 3 miles final runway 4, full stop.
This is even better than Aspen,
Oh yeah.
coming from here.
$500.
1 mile.
Yep.
On slope. Wind slightly tail.
Yep.
2 or 3 knots. On the right.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Spoiler deployed.
Okay. I'll go full reverse.
Yeah.
80 knots.
80.
And your controls.
70. My controls.
And I can get up probably Alpha 2.
40 knots.
Okay. After landing?
After landing.
Hover traffic Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, vacating runway 4 on Alpha 2, taxiing to the FBO.
Okay, the name.
Yep.
So we're supposed to be here at 10 past?
No, we're 4 minutes ahead of schedule.
Perfecto.
Yeah, straight in release, save us some time. And taxi lights off.
Yeah, please. Class A RV in front of us.
The what?
Class A RV.
Oh. Farewell.
Alright, block at 1627.
Yes.
Parking brake is going off, we've got shocks on. There's no loose steering.